Why I gotta run it back? I don't know. I should be in a snapback with a runner cap on. Only one bad company deserves a solo. It's better than being in a vest. I'd rather sit back than be in a Kevlar pan. I should have been outside with a Kevin and Dan. I can't do shit, so I Kevin and damped. Couldn't do shit, so I Kevin and vamped. Couldn't do shit, so I did a rock star. Then I got the amp, and now I'm sitting in cars. Couldn't do shit, look at the car, what do it cost me? I'm at my door with the lights through the bar seat. I should have been showing mercy to Marcy, but instead I'm outside with a person in Percy. Can't do shit, so don't take shit personally. Don't know if it's recording, can't hear the sound. Should have been pulling your neck like an accordion, blah. Playing piano strings, black Robert keys, white like ivory soap, only it's only me. Looking like it's only Sunny D, Sunny Shores. Roll up until you broke all floors. Can't do nothing, so I left crack alone. Sitting in my house like the back of the how-to book. Couldn't do shit like a tuba, so I chat like I couldn't do it. Nothing but a screw book, need to get the rap. Something like talk with a turtle attached. The shell is waxed, I got the details. In the car with bras, and she got an A-tap. Can't do it, so the license plate just sprayed at me. And I got the world's greatest information, only they don't say that. And it expired like docketry. Niggas will look at me and try to get to socketry. They want the fuse box to pop. Instead I'm on a boat with some Mattel nigga. He can't get it to the cartel. Kitty, go tell that nigga. Sit down, try to be calm. The interview is all swell, nigga. I'm all hell, nigga. You inhale me, you die. That's like 2 breaths and lie, hurrah. Let's see if Hotbox recorded that.